All right, so down here we've got a beautiful little signal. I think it's going to be a good one. Let's see. All I do here is move the dirt out of the way to one side and see if I've moved the target. Check the hole. It's still down in there. Right there somewhere. Deeper than I expected. Oh, deep is good because it can be bigger. Really? That's it. Give it a little wipe. There we go. See the silver? How shiny it is right in there? That's a nice little nugget. Weighs about a quarter ounce. Let's go get another one.
Congratulations.
Thank you, man.
Very jealous, but happy to.